सोगलीं फुडें उबी रावल्यार जाता. देवाकार गाणी दिनवास दिवन आयच्या दिसा पासत 29 तारीख एप्रिलाचे सकाळी रेज मागोसच्या फिरगोजेन जुसे मोरेरा आणि मोरेराच्या फॅमिलीन देवाकार गाणी दिनवास दिली. ताच्या जिविताची 80 वर्सां ताका दिल्या म्हणून. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to one and all, and a warm welcome to the Penha De Franca venue where we celebrate 80 years of life of Jose Moreira. On behalf of the Moreira family, a big thank you and God bless to each one of you for giving your precious time to celebrate with this wonderful family. Now before I go any further, I'm going to throw a question. This is not for the family, but if anybody knows the answer, put your hands up and you can win a prize. Now besides the 80th birthday of BAIE, lovingly called BAIE Jose Moreira, we also have 2 other celebrations today in the family. Would you like to give me a try? Tell me what are the other 2? Okay, I'm talking about your son. All right, you are absolutely right. What's your name? Meena. You have won a prize and I will give you your prize later. Yes, my dear friends, besides the 80th birthday of Jose Moreira, we are also celebrating Cynthia's 50th birthday today. Her dad's wish was to celebrate the birthday together. Cynthia celebrated her birthday on the 3rd of April. 50 golden years, blessed years, another milestone birthday. And it was their wedding anniversary as well yesterday, Cynthia's and Bento's. But today also we are celebrating the wedding anniversary of Shirley and Vincent. 19 blessed years. So once again, can you all come in front? From wherever you are, come in front. Let's celebrate with this wonderful family. I'd like to request Jose Moreira to stand up with your wife, Carmina. Cynthia and Bento, daughter and son-in-law. Their son Chris couldn't make it back in Kuwait. Their daughter Chriselle is in our midst. Chriselle, join us. Shirley and Vincent. Shirley is present here, husband Vincent in Kuwait, along with her son Schneider. But we have Vernon out here. Vernon, please join us. And the eldest son, Joachim Moreira. Can we have a round of applause for this wonderful family, my dear friends? Yeah, that's better. All right, before we go any further, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the manager, Reverend Father Matthew Sigüera, the manager of the hall, the staff of Penha De Franca, we'd like to welcome you all. This fantastic decor done by Francis, music set up by DJ Major Event Company along with our DJ Brian, aka DJ Kapi. Our caterers for the evening, Patrao caterers, Inocencio and Maria Arcangela Fernandez, all the way from Pomurpa. Our photographer officially is Prashant Shirodkar. Sangeeta Arts Panjan capturing the special moments. On the video we have John Lobis, the cake by Cake My Day, and Abbar, managers Raymond and Manu. With that, I would like to request Susan, Surya Tinker, take the knife in hand. Yes. And I'm going to do a countdown. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Join in with me. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and happy 80th birthday, Suzanne Moreira. आमच्या सगळ्यांच्या नावाने जाऊन दिसांची पुरबी दिता ताका आनी देवाकडे मागता तुका आनीक जायती वर्सां करया. Yes, we've got two lovely cakes out here. One is the wedding anniversary cake as well as Cynthia's 50th golden birthday cake. Can I have you on the side, please?
The knives are there.
You're going to cut your godchild's cake. Is your filia that in cake?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Happy birthday. Thank you, Susan.
Okay.
Cynthia, can I have you here? That's lovely. Where's your family? Shirley. Yo. Anniversary cake we cut here.
Wait, everyone, five. Last, baby, you want it?
Three, two, one. Shall come and come? Shirley, Ashin Raula Surya Akin Yoga. Shirley, bye. Take that knife in hand. Oh, she's already got the knife in hand. 19 glorious years. Ladies and gentlemen.
19 or 20?
19, very good. The anniversary, happy wedding anniversary. We are missing Vincent, but our wishes go out to him as well.
Thank you.
And to your and Strider, who's not here with us as well this evening. Okay, Shirley, 3, 2, 1. Clap your hands around.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would be that could be happy and content?
Ladies and gentlemen,
I used to think
Cynthia and Benjo celebrated their 23rd wedding anniversary yesterday. So can we put a round of applause for them as well? We wish them blessings for a wonderful life together. Congratulations. Grand celebrations in the house. And with that, Benjo, I'd like to request you to step forward. The honor of popping the champagne goes to you. Let's have all eyes on Benjo. Ladies and gentlemen, the great pop. A request, the seniors can sit down, please. आमची कोसलीन झोका जायना साऊथ उरपा. Teresa Maria Rodriguez de Souza.
Champagne coming up. You want the champagne? Later. Magi South
सदांच चिंता हे बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करपाची फॅशनशी जाल्या म्हणून पूण बारीक चिंतून पळयल्यार आमी आमचे इश्टाचे गूण तेज्यो यादी तेज्यो खुबश्यो कोन्यो तेजे एचिवमेंट्स आमी सेलिब्रेट करतात देखून वी सेलिब्रेट बर्थडे बॉय. सगळ्यांक खबर आसलेली तुजे ल्हानपण एक जबाबदारेचो भुरगो आसलो. तो ल्हान सान इस्कॉलाक वयचे सुवातेर कामाक लागलो. तेजो मायंड हुस्को आपले मायंड हेल्प करपाचो आपल्या भावा भयणांक सांबाळून. तो तेची परिस्थिती कशी आसूं तेंच्या बरेपणान तेची पयली जबाबदारी. इतलेंच न्हू तेंची भावा भयणीची भुरगीं तेका खूब महत्वाची. तेंको एक पाय कसो सगळ्यांक तेंकां. तेचे मायंड शिकोवंक फोर्स करूंक ना तेका पूण तेका शिकपाची जायती उमेद आसली. तो कामाक वयतालो थिंगासर कोण मातसो शिकलेलो आसा जाल्यार तेच्या कडल्यान आपुणूच वाचूंक आनी बरोवंक शिकतालो. एक इंट्रस्टिंग खबर म्हणल्यार ताका मशीन सारकी करपाची खूब उमेद आसली. कोण्याची मिशिनां आनी दुसरी मिशिनां आपुणूच शिकलो आणि आपुणूच मास्टर जालो तितून. एक स्किल्ड मेकॅनिस्ट ओबो इंजिनियर कसो बारो तुका आमच्या भुरग्यांक आतां आमी फोर्स करचो पडटा शिकोवंक. गाडी चलोवंकूय ताका खूब उमेद आसली. दिसान गाडी घेतली तेन्ना तेणे चिंतलें आपुणूच गाडी शिकतलो म्हणून. तो तेणें पिटूक घेतलो, सायडीन बसयलो, गाडी काडली, आमच्या दुर्गार मारली. कार्मिनाच्यो बोबो मागीर म्हाज्या बाबाची गाडी मोडली. मागीर तो शिकोंक ना तें हांव नको. ल्हान आसतना ताका स्पोर्ट्स कुस्ती एक्सरसायज करपाची जायती उमेद. ऑड्डे मारून वस्तू मोडटालो. पणसाच्या झाडार सायकलीचे टायर घालून उमकोवतालो जिमनेस्ट कहो. एक दीस शिरकलो, उमको तुरलो, कोण नासलो काडून. वयल्या तितीन पयलें म्हणून बरें जालें, नाका जाल्यार जिमनेस्टीक काबार. दोतोरांक आजुनूय सांगता आपली बॉडी स्टिलीची, पांयांनी मातसो सांगात घेवचो. धाकटो आसतना लुईस, आंतोन, फेलिक्सा बारीन बँजो करताले ते. तास घेवन इल्ली मोडून ट्यून करून गरमीच्या दिसांनी आंब्याच्या झाडां शेकरेतीन झाडां आसली दिसता. सकयल बसून आंबो पडटलो म्हणून ट्यून करून पळयताले. नाजाल्यार जुजे कावडे कुलो मारतालो, मातसो तोंच रे म्हणून पडना आंबो सकयल. एक दीस फ्रेंडा बारीन दोऱ्यान लोवन दोगूय झगडूंक लागले, फ्रेंड आनी तो. पण एकलो जाणटो येयलो, की करून बोकार कापट मारले. दोगूय धांवले घरा जोडणी काबार. दुसरे दिसा उठले दोगूय फ्रेंड, काल झगडलेले म्हणून सरले. तूं दुसऱ्यांक वालोर दिताय म्हणून आनी दुसऱ्यांक दाखयताय तूं तांकां एक धीर कसो आसाय म्हणून. तूं झगडटाय तुज्या हक्काक, तूं दुसऱ्यांक आपल्या हक्काक झगडून तांकां दिताय. तुका एक खुशाल बरी बर्थडे हांव आनी तुजें जिवीत सुखी जावं म्हूण मागता.
आमच्या सगळ्यांची रानान बायकरी जाता 3 वाजता. ही बऱ्यांतली बरी साऊथ ट्रेन आमच्या सुजेची वयर उबारली देखून आमकां बाग एक व्हडलें शेजारी बाईचो.
थँक्यू.
Ladies and gentlemen, Zuse's godchild all the way from UK has sent a special message along with the birthday cake that was cut earlier. Dear Pati, happy 80th birthday. Today our hearts are full of love, admiration and gratitude for the incredible person you are. This isn't just a celebration of your age, it's a tribute to a life lived with grace, kindness, and quiet strength. You have always been more than a godfather to me. You've been a steady presence, a gentle protector, and a source of comfort. Even in silence, your love and care were always felt. My mother often told me how kind, wise, and truly good you are. Over the years, I've come to see how right she was. You've touched my life in ways I can never fully express. Your wisdom has guided me. Your heart has comforted me. Your presence has brought me peace. I carry your love with me every day. A day full of joy, laughter, and love. With all our love, Lazar, Carmen, Wesker, and Leanne. This was a wonderful message from your godchild. And I would like to hand over the mic to Cynthia
सगळ्यांक तुमकां माये मोगाची सांज आवडटा. गुड इवनिंग डियर फॅमिली अँड फ्रेंड्स. आयचो दीस हो चड खुशेचो. आयज आमचो बाई आपलो 80th वाडदीस मनयता. तुमी सगळीं चिंता आसतली ताका बाई कित्याक म्हणटा म्हूण. म्हजो भाव जोकी ताका शिकयलें ताका पाय म्हणून. तो पाय पाय करता तिंगा बाय जालें. बाय सान तिका बाई जालें. आनी मागीर तेन्ना सावन ताका नांव पडलें बाई. आनी आयज पुत्यान ताका आमीच न्हय पूण सगळीं ताका बाई म्हणटा. बाई तूं जावन आसाय एक मजबूत खांबो आमचो सगळ्यांचो. धीर आधार आमकां सगळ्यांक भुरग्यांक तशीच आपल्या भावाक भयणांक आपल्या मोगान आनी भिरांतीन वाडयल्याय. आनी तांचो धीर आमची माय. तिचे बगर कांय जायना. जायते फावटी वेऱ्यासान पुळी जायते फावटी वेऱ्यासान घरा येताना मात तेड्यान मायन वेऱ्याक सोडून मोटरसायकल स्टार्ट मारून वते वाटेक पावन मागीर ताका उगडास येयला. माय वेऱ्या उरल्या म्हणून. मोस्टली कामाक वता तो. ताची गिरेस्तकाय जावन आसा ताची फामील आनी इश्ट. हांव बाईच्या मायच्या जोकीच्या चलीच्या म्हाज्या आनी आमच्या फामिलीच्या नांवान तुमकां सगळ्यांक वेळ काडून येयली म्हूण आनी आमचे बरोबर हे कुशालकायेन वांटो घेतलो म्हूण दिनवासता. देव बरें करूं. एन्जॉय द इवनिंग. विवा. But I just want to continue, if you don't mind. I want to say thanks, Xavier, to you. Prashant, thank you. John, thank you. DJ, thank you. Raymond, Manu, thank you. Bar लागता म्हणून थिंगा. And not to forget Xavier Kalasho, who has also arranged for a car for BAIE. देव बरें करूं. Enjoy the evening. Viva. Right? Viva re viva.
Viva re viva.
Viva
Viva re viva.
Viva
Viva Maruya.
आणि बाईची आणि माझी सावध करूया. आणि शेपूची. विवा रे विवा.
असलेल्या म्हज्या भाव भयणांक अशें म्हाजी शेजारी आनी पुलिसाचे आमी तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं.
Bless you.
Put your hands together for BAIE and Lovely. And thank you from the heart. Thank you, Cynthia, on behalf of the Moreira family. For those of you holding your champagne glasses, let's drink to this celebration. God bless. And we got DJ Brian, DJ Kavi giving you the music. Be seated, our service boys are coming with snacks and drinks to you.